I think 2019, I used to work at Barrage Capital, right?
Yeah.
And so in 18, I got diagnosed with a critical burnout.
Really?
So,
really?
Yes, do you know this?
No, I don't. Damn.
I remember I went to this health spa in Austria,
Yeah.
and they put all these sensors on me,
Right.
and they said, "Okay, not for 5 minutes is your brain willing to switch off because you're always like working.
Right.
जो counselor थी, कहती है, why don't you just get up, leave your phone?
Yeah.
Then, what do you mean? If I don't respond to my email, I die.
Yeah.
And then I realized that there needs to be purpose to life
Right.
on what you create, what you build.
Right.
And that was Collabs. See, when we went and we saw that building, I was like,
Yeah.
"Pagal
Are you
to nahi ho."
serious?
I was like, I mean,
Yes.
इसमें पैसे डालने हैं.
Huh.
And I think it was him who built that sort of
Yeah.
idea कि यार no, we're going to
Bilkul.
do like
Bilkul.
wow.
Bilkul.
But when I went, I said, "Guys,
Hi guys, welcome back to Hapa After 5. I'm Omar Jalani, founder of Hapa Studios. Today is a very special episode because I have a dear friend of mine, Omar Shah. Welcome, Omar. We personally know each other, so it's pretty difficult to do a podcast with you because I can just think of all the jokes to make. Unfortunately, your brother couldn't join us today, but I guess we'll have to
do a separate one with him."
we'll have to do another one, or we can Photoshop him or put him in the podcast via AI.
You can put an AI mustache. Put
Yeah.
a mustache here.
I
And the
think
mustache
that
comes
would be
in.
fun. You've had a tremendous journey. These twin brothers are the minds behind Collabs, and a space that's become more than just co-working. It's a culture. From real estate with Sapcon to creative ecosystems, art, music, and now even expanding into Riyadh. They've been quietly shaping how people work, build, and connect. And somewhere in that journey, we've had the chance to collaborate with them too, from branding to rebranding. So this is a bit personal.
Not just collaborate. Yeah. You came up with the name. You came up with the logo.
I mean, I can't have all the credit for
And
that
you would
because I had a team
you were
working
also,
with me.
I mean, one of the early investors in Collabs.
Yes, and
So, I mean, so
and
you
that
are-
has paid out, by the way.
Yes. So, I
So,
mean, it's not
investing in
just-
Collabs has paid out already. Yeah.
It's
That's
not
why
just-
we're having such a lavish set, right?
it's a lot more. Like, I mean, you guys are there. I mean, we're here with you guys.
Thank you.
We
So,
made it
before,
together.
so
Class.
before getting into anything, since Ali's not here, I had to ask this question.
Apparently, Ali's coming because my driver keeps.
Well, we let him.
Apparently,
we'll let him come
my
on the
driver
way.
keeps on giving me isharas, but I'm like, I don't know. I'm like,
So, what's one thing people always get wrong about you two as twins?
we're very different.
Yeah.
Okay. I moved to London when I was 17 years old.
Right.
And I was abroad till. I mean, I moved out at 17. I moved back to Pakistan when I was almost 30. So I was 13 years of my life from like 2007, 2019. I was not in Pakistan.
Right.
And I lived in London. I started my career as an investment banker. To work
Right.
initially,
That's
obviously
right.
in a hedge fund, and then after
Right.
that, I started working in Dubai. Lived in Turkey, Mexico City,
And
Africa,
your
all
brother was
across the
always
world.
here.
No, Ali was in London, but then Ali came back.
Right.
So it's very typical. Like the idea was like, okay, you have the typical traditional say it, but then you have the obviously investment banker doing that. And
Absolutely.
but I always wanted to move back.
So, I mean, but before what Collabs has become today, what was the original idea which you guys were chasing or which you were chasing?
Yeah, I think the idea was that when I was abroad, right? And I remember living in London and living in Europe and stuff. I think what I realized was that living in like countries like Mexico or Turkey, these are all emerging markets.
Right.
Similar to what Pakistan is today.
Right.
And I was like, if these markets can build billion-dollar businesses, why can't we?
Right. Absolutely.
At the time, WeWork was the big Uber of the world, right?
Right.
The sharing economy.
Yeah.
Sharing economy क्या होती है?
Yeah.
Sharing economy means that the same car, which is आपकी फर्स्ट को गाड़ी खड़ी हुई है 12 घंटे. It can be used by 6, 8, 10, 20 people.
Right.
So the same way what we do today, a shared office,
Right.
is part of the sharing economy.
Right.
So I thought WeWork is a $60 billion business. पाकिस्तान में आपको पता है 2014-15 में Kickstarts, Daftar Khan, all these guys started. And
Right.
when you went in, it was very like floor है, beanbag पड़े हुए
I mean,
हैं,
there wasn't a culture involved in
PlayStation
it.
चल रही है, but
हाँ.
वो scale नहीं थी.
हाँ
तो
बिल्कुल
मैं सोचा कि यार स्केल हम बना सकते हैं।
बिल्कुल।
इमरान खान आया,
हाँ
हमने कहा हम दुनिया बदलेंगे, पाकिस्तान नेक्स्ट लीडर बनेगा।
Right.
हमने जॉब क्विट की अपनी।
हम्म।
आई मीन मैं 27 साल की उम्र में,
Yeah.
आई मीन आई वाज अर्निंग $300,000 a year.
Right.
I had
Amazing.
anything in the world I could do.
Right. Amazing.
पाकिस्तान आया
Hmm.
and started earning 50,000 rupees a
Right.
month.
Right.
And literally
But you
started showing them कि जी bathroom ऐसे साफ करना है,
हाँ
chai, and I still remember when we opened.
Yeah.
So before I moved back, and this is something a bit more personal. So I was working for like 10 years in investment banking.
Yeah.
And I was just very deeply unhappy.
Right.
जिंदगी में उदासी थी कि को hamster भी सकते थे.
बिल्कुल
And like मुझे, and I think 2019 I was trying to work at Barrage Capital, right?
Yeah.
And 2018 I got diagnosed with a critical burnout.
really.
So
Oh really?
yes, do you know this?
No, I don't. Damn.
So at age 27, 28.
Critical burnout.
So at
Not
age
really.
27,
Like just
28, I remember I went to this health spa in Austria.
Yeah.
And they put all these sensors on me.
Right.
And they said, okay, not for 5 minutes is your brain willing to switch off, because I was like working.
Right. Right.
जो counselor थी, कहती है, why don't you just get up, leave your phone?
Yeah.
For a day. Said, what do you mean? If I don't respond to my email, I die.
Yeah.
She's like, just try it.
Yeah.
And I kid you not.
Yeah.
I gave up my phone.
Yeah.
10 days. No phone. No laptop.
Well, a killer for the Shah brothers.
No, but I regained my life.
Yeah. Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
Because I felt कि life में, I mean, purpose है ही नहीं.
नहीं, because
पैसा बना भी लोगे,
बिल्कुल
जो
बिल्कुल
भी करोगे, खुशी नहीं है.
absolutely
Right? And I think
Absolutely.
that for me was so key of moving back.
Well, you had to get to a burnout stage to kind of realize it, right?
course.
If you
And I
hadn't
mean-
gotten to that
I mean,
stage,
I was
maybe
29 years old and they said your biological age is 43. Serious? And then I realized कि यार, there needs to be purpose to life.
Right.
On what you create, what you build.
right.
And coming back to that, that was collabs.
So, I mean, for you to have a purpose right now and to be able to build something which you've already built, do you feel satisfied, or is it still? Are you going to go back to the hamster wheel again?
I think at this stage in life,
Yeah.
and you've seen me in the last 10 years.
Yeah.
I read this book on minimalism.
Yeah.
And there's a book from Steve on. So I have, in the last for 10 years,
Right.
I wear either a black t-shirt
Right.
or a white t-shirt or a white
Right.
shalwar kameez.
Right.
Why?
And yeah.
Because you
And
don't
also,
care.
people don't realize that how much time it saves you during the day.
No, you wake up in the morning, you wear the same thing.
and you're ready. It's like your uniform.
You wear the same thing. You either wear a collab t-shirt, which I'm
बिल्कुल
not wearing today.
नहीं,
or
मतलब ये छोटी चीजें आपको वो
No, आपका
इतनी
जिंदगी
not-
आसान करती है ना.
आपका आसान करती है, and you have more time to kind of focus on other more important
and that's
things
why
which
you
you
don't
realize.
need to show the world
Yeah.
कि यार
Exactly.
मैंने तो आज
हाँ.
पता नहीं ये
Yeah.
पलंची आगे की जैकेट पहनी है, मैंने रास्ता
Yeah,
है.
yeah.
And you just are happier as a person ना.
Yes.
Because क्योंकि जिंदगी में छोटी चीजें हैं ना,
बिल्कुल.
और छोटी चीजें आपको खुश करती हैं.
और अगर आप whatever अल्लाह ताला आपको और तरक्की दे, but what would you do? Like, would you want to sell your company? Would you want to retire? Would you want to travel? What would you
Yeah.
keep building? Would you keep
I
expanding
think-
into other
I think
areas?
so for me, and the idea was that as you go ahead, you need to still have purpose.
Right.
Any life without purpose is no happiness. So if you have purpose in life, you are happy as a human being.
Yeah, yeah.
And I think for me, and you know this,
Yeah.
with collabs, you've seen it from the
from the textile
No, I still
factory.
So,
No, actually, before that, it was on MM Alam Road. जो आप लोग की
हाँ,
अपनी
exactly.
building-
हाँ.
First, we were planning
First
to
idea वो
just
था ना.
open it
हाँ,
there,
exactly.
which was like just like a 1,200 square feet sort of a
Yeah,
thing.
exactly.
Yeah.
So I think the idea there was that if you look at the first collabs, I still remember very, very well, हमने पहली DVC shoot करनी थी.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
And I moved to Pakistan December 18. It was, I think, March 19 was our planned launch date.
Right. Right.
And I moved to Pakistan and we used to sit in the fancy office, Adiwala,
Yeah.
Sapcon
Yeah. Bilkul.
office. And we were sitting there and in a very... I think glass.
Can you take this glass?
No. What
No, you can't bring the mug inside the podcast. Yeah. हाँ.
Sorry.
ये ग्लास आके उठा दिया करो,
ग्लास आके
डाल के
उठाओ
वापस दिया करो. ये रहने देना पॉडकास्ट के अंदर. कोई मसला नहीं.
I think it's better not to.
No, it's fine. यार कॉफी चाहिए थी साहब को. कॉफी के बगैर रुक नहीं सकते. हाँ. कॉफी के बगैर रुक नहीं सकते.
So cut.
हाँ. Huh? No, keep it going. Keep it going. It's fine. It's fine. Keep it going.
So it goes down?
Yeah.
Stop. Okay.
Yeah.
I think, so back to, so I remember moving to Pakistan and sitting in Sapcon and Ari's very nice office.
Yeah.
And I said, यार काम करना है, क्या करेंगे? And and I remember sitting in a meeting and I was like, guys, building बंद क्यों नहीं रही है? क्या हुआ है? I remember going there, sitting, this meeting in the big,
right.
So just guys, for everyone's context, the first collabs that we built was the Vortex Towel Factory.
Right.
Vortex is the first towel manufacturer in Pakistan.
Right, bilkul.
The factory was built in 1940.
Bilkul. And just for everyone to know, I've seen the halat uske and I can't tell you what a turnaround that was.
वो 48 की building थी. I give credit all to my twin brother Adi.
Yeah, bilkul.
When he took me to that building in 2017.
He was going to have a heart attack when he was going through that.
2017 में वो जो पहली building थी, when we went and we saw that building, I was like, पागल तो नहीं हो? I was like, I mean, इसमें पैसे डालने हैं. And I think it was him who built that sort of idea कि यार no, we're going to do like that.
Bilkul.
But when I went, I said, guys, building खोने क्या करेंगे? I got on Sapcon.
Yeah.
I went to Collabs.
Yeah.
We had those 3 offices.
Yeah.
I sat there and I said, I want to see what's going on every day. And then we had everyone. I remember the whole team. Anik, Aisha.
Bilkul.
Everyone sitting around.
Yes.
I'm like, guys, he building ऐसे कैसे खोलेंगे? We used to sit there.
Yeah.
And I still remember the first, the DVC, which you see is the first DVC we launched in 19, which you guys did.
Right, yes.
We didn't have bijli. Remember?
Yeah, बिल्कुल.
Generator से हमने बिजली चलाई.
बिल्कुल.
Bathroom नहीं चलते थे.
बिल्कुल. हमारा पूरा my entire office came and we shot the video.
We had the whole HAPA team come.
Yeah. We had about 30 people at that time, 30, 40 people.
And वो tension थी क्या bathroom कैसे जाएंगे? I think, I don't care. Get a fucking porta potty yaar. Put a fucking bathroom on. And we sat there.
Yeah.
But the fact that we went and we actually sat.
And also, just to tell everyone, I came on like a Sunday afternoon with a friend of mine just to, I was very excited about it. I just wanted to show him. And this guy was there on a Sunday afternoon, just alone in the entire building and just walking around. And I was like, what, dude, what are you doing here? He's like, dude, I'm so stressed out. And he had like 3-4 screens and was just frantically emailing and talking and communicating. So you were hustling at that time.
My point in life, and I say this to everyone, अगर काम हाथ से नहीं करना ना कुछ नहीं होगा.
100%.
मैं भी बताता हूँ लोगों को. Like Ghafoor Saab, like in our team, we have very old employees like Wajid. They've been since 2018. Yeah, I sat there, and one thing I learned in my 10 years of investment banking, you hire from the best, and you train them.
Yes.
I remember making the checklist for the bathroom where I'm like, toilet seat को ऐसे साफ करते. And like, I come from an old family.
Yeah.
And my family members are like, oh no, हम घर बैठे हैं, हो जाएगा. I don't care.
मगर hygiene आपके family में काफी.
मुझे कोई परवाह नहीं है. I'm like, guys, मैं bathroom खुद ही साफ कर दूँगा. I teach you.
No,
but that was the commitment.
Such a big impression on everyone else, you know.
Yeah, but I think that is what makes a leader. Like, I mean, when you want to go into a role of leadership,
बिल्कुल.
you need to lead by example.
Right.
And if you're the first one in, the last one out, people will follow. And I mean, fast forward, we launched in June, filled the building up in 6 months. And when people came, it was like, oh wow, यहाँ तो event space है 150 बंदे की.
Yes. Yeah,
इतना
so
बस space है, office
that's
है.
what I was going to ask. That while this idea, while when did you realize that this is bigger than a workspace?
Yeah, देखो, if you look globally, right?
Hmm.
Globally, it's about building community. Why do you buy a house in defense or in cavalry?
Community.
It's about who is around you.
Right.
And I think the core part is, the name, collaboration.
Right.
कि आप
Right.
एक छत के नीचे एक कॉफी शॉप, एक ऑफिस, a desk, a meeting room, a boardroom, you put them there. And I think that core essence of building community is like, I mean, I don't know if you guys know this or not. So in Silicon Valley, there's a company today which is called, basically, you have company called Y Combinator, right? And Y Combinator is the biggest incubator in the world today that incubated companies like Airbnb and this and that and whatnot. So in Silicon Valley, maybe 20 years ago, they were all building providers.
Right.
Why? Because Silicon Valley, they had given them offices. And against the space, they took equity.
Equity, exactly.
I
mean, that's also what McDonald's is. McDonald's is a real estate company rather than a fast food chain.
The idea is like, I mean, it's what goes on within the real estate.
Right.
अब यहाँ building के अंदर कोई real estate बेच रहा है, या कोई KFC है, या McDonald's है, it's what goes on within.
Right.
So for me, the concept was, in a building, you can host an office, you can have a coffee shop, you can do a workshop, you can have Google run an event, you can have Umar Jalani do a podcast, you can have Canva come in. So today, I mean, those are just examples what we've done. But the idea is like, just like that, you can do yoga there.
Right.
You can have Spotify host a gig.
So now that Collabs feels like a community.
It is a community.
It is a community. What do you think people are coming there for? Is it to excel their careers? Is it to just network? Is it a bunch of all these things? Is it to feel cool? What is it?
Yeah, I'll be very open.
Yeah.
You can go take an office anywhere. You can go to Regis, go to my competition. People will come when you make the community cohesive.
Right.
Cohesion या community कहाँ से बनती है? क्या हो रहा है community के अंदर? I give you an example. Pakistan में, anywhere abroad, why do people go in Riyadh, for example, like Saudi Arabia, now that I live half and half in Southern Lahore? People go because in the compound that they are in, or in the community they're in, there's a McDonald's, there's a KFC, there's a Beacon House, there's an American school. So I think
there's a Beacon House in Riyadh?
No, I'm giving an example in the sense that even right now in Pakistan, housing scheme बनती है जब, what do they want? They want a McDonald's, they want a Beacon House, and they want a KFC, or they want a
that would do it. That would do it.
So the same way today, I want them to have a collabs there.
Right.
Because end of the day, आपने दिन में क्या करना है? 24 घंटे ना? Okay, you sleep 8 hours, you're in the office 9 hours, so half your day is at work and at home. If your workspace is a place where you are actually happy,
right?
I mean, where do you start a business? You wake up in the morning. What do you want to do? You want to have coffee?
Yeah.
You want to go meet someone?
Yeah.
You want to go out and meet? Oh, I want to meet someone. This is a perfect example. So, you guys know OMD?
Yeah.
The marketing firm.
Yeah.
So they started the office at Collabs in 19.
Right.
And I still remember to this day, the Pakistan ka head है OMD का जो founder owner है, he's like, हमारा videographer resign करके. Like we walked out in the Collabs main hall and he found a videographer there. I was like, what do you mean? He's like, हाँ हमने कहा कि video shoot करनी है. आ जाओ. Like it's the community.
Yeah, exactly.
So
perfect.
like वो जो community का aspect है, वहीं से बनते हैं ना. तो
right, amazing.
उस वजह से आप जो कहते हो ना कि एक छत पे करनी ही है.
So आपकी जो community अभी office के अंदर,
you don't mind if I smoke this one?
No, I don't mind. जो आपकी already जिस तरह की community है, कितने लोगों के इस तरह shared resources होते हैं? Like, I mean, accounts are same, marketing people probably are same, things like that.
So
But
today,
like, my question is that do they kind of?
I would say in the last 6 years, at Collabs today we manage 10 locations. We have 5,000 seats or members, as you call them, across Pakistan. We have 2 locations in Karachi and obviously 3 Karachi, 7 Lahore. And the idea is that a lot of them want to be within a campus.
Right.
The Collabs campus today, which is Gulberg, seats of almost 1,500 people.
Right.
We have Third Culture, which is the first franchise of Third Culture.
Yeah. It really brings the place together.
No, by the way, Third Culture would never leave the Gulberg campus.
Yeah.
I used to call my bike.
Yeah.
I harassed Gambly and Suri. I was like, मैं counter बना के दूंगा, मैं बिजली पे करूंगा, तुम अपनी coffee shop खोले.
And I remember we tried a couple of other people as well before that, which did work out as well.
But it's the same thing, na? Why do people go to Third Culture or Double Shot or all these cool coffee shops? Like Pluto and all. And why do they not go to, I don't know, Gloria Jeans?
Yeah.
Where the cool kid? Cool kid. Third Culture बैठे हुए ना? Yes or no?
100%. 100%. And every event I come to, I mean, the people there are a different sort of thing, and that is the culture which you want to build. So we're going to Riyadh, Nargis,
Inshallah.
right?
Riyadh in exactly 10 days.
Amazing.
Sunday, 12th April is our launch.
Come on.
Riyadh.
Congratulations.
And it's taken us 6 years.
Yes.